Hello and welcome to step 2, preparing your stencil and applying it to your glass. This step has a lot of little details that we have to be really careful about. The first detail, or the first thing we have to do is apply transfer paper, or I use clear contact paper, to the vinyl while it's on the mat still before you bend the mat back to peel it off. The vinyl or the transfer paper really helps make it a nice clean stencil. Then what you need to do is you need to trim your stencil down to less than around a quarter of an inch on all sides of your design. That way when you're applying it to the glass, it does not stick in funny places and get you a lot of air bubbles. So once you have that trimmed down, you'll go ahead and remove that white piece of black paper on the back of that vinyl. And then you will apply that to the glass. Before you apply it to the glass, if your glass looks really dusty or dirty, what you might need to do is use wash it or use some alcohol wipes or something to make sure you're not putting it on top of dust, because then the etching cream will get underneath it. Apply that wherever you want it, smooth it out so there's not many air bubbles. Then you're going to take that clear contact paper off the top. It's a little tricky sometimes, but just peel it back. And then you're left with just your vinyl stencil. Now that you have just the vinyl stencil, you're going to take one of those Cricut tools. I like the one that looks like a little hook because it digs into the vinyl really well, and peel back whatever part of the vinyl you do not need for your stencil. So mine, I want the initials carved, so that's going to be the part of the initial that I take out. Anything inside that black triangle will be part of your stencil. Please hold for step 3.